Hi guys, I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. Now, as you can probably see down here, there are a few bits missing from the shelf, and that's because I have pulled them out to do a review for you guys. So today we are going to be doing a magical review of the Bubble Boy and the Puking Pastels Girl bookends. Now, these characters we all know from the Weasley Wizard Wheezes shop. Aren't they just stunning? Now, I must say I am really terrified with holding these. I do not want these to get damaged. So as soon as this video is finished, they're going straight back on the shelf where I put them. This one here is the Bubble Boy, and I will tell you some more information about them in a second when I turn the camera around. But I just want to give you a chance to admire these before I give you some close-ups and talk to you about them in more detail. But these, oh, isn't she gorgeous, were a Christmas present from my mum a few years ago. And they are created by Noble Collection, and unfortunately they are sold separately on the website. You cannot buy them as a pair, which I think if you could buy them as a pair, more people would go, I think, and get them. Because you cannot have one without the other. So I am going to, oh, isn't he stunning? I just had to pull them up again for you to see them again. I am now going to turn the camera around and put these on my desk, or my boyfriend's desk I should say, and we will have a look at them in more detail. So guys, here you can see both the Puking Pastels Girl and the Bubble Boy. Now I will in a second bring the camera up a bit closer so you could see them in detail. But while they're like this, I'd just like to give you a bit of information about them. So these figures are from Noble Collection. They are unfortunately not sold together. They are sold separately, which is a little bit irritating. As I have said at the beginning of this video, they are bookends to represent the Puking Pastels Girl and the Bubble Boy from the Weasley Wizard Wheezes shop. Now, both of these were originally £55 each. That was the price that they were when my mum bought them for me for Christmas. Since then, they were discontinued for a brief period due to the cost of making them being really expensive. But because of high demand, they were brought back in stock at a higher price. And that higher price is now £120. And that is for each of them individually, not for them as a pair. If we lift up the camera and go over here, if I tilt her slightly nice and gently, you can see all the details on her. She's puking out the pastels into a bucket. She's got a green turquoise cardigan on and a top. She's got shoes. She has a green base and with purple and orange accent. This is her from the back, And as you can see, she's got a flat back there to be able to attach to the bubble boy. I do not use these as bookends, but you can if you so choose to. And this is the bubble boy. Now he has, if we tilt him slightly, being really gentle because they're so fragile, he's got spots on his top, or his vest top I should say, orange shirt, yellow check tie, blue shoes, black trousers. Up here are his bubbles that he's puking, and they are glass. He's got a green base with orange and purple accents. They are just absolutely stunning. If you are a Weasley Twins fan, and especially a Weasley Wizard Wheezes fan, they are so worth the money. They are just absolutely stunning. I'm going to turn the camera back round now and give you some final thoughts. So guys, what did you think of the Puking Pastels Girl and the Bubble Boy? They're really heavy to hold up together. The quality of these is just stunning. Noble Collection always do such a great job. I just love admiring them. They live on this shelf back here, which is my Weasley shelf. I have done a tour of the Weasley shelf before, which I will link up above and below, but there will probably, excuse me, be an updated video to come because I've had a bit of a change round since that video was done. But I would love to know your thoughts and opinions on these in the comments. And I'd love to know if any of you have any other Weasley Wizard Wheezes items. I would love to hear about those in the comments because I'd love to get some more of those for my collection. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It helps the channel so much. I have to say before we end this video, I really do recommend these bookends. They are stunning. If you are a Weasley Wizard Wheezes fan and a Weasley Twins fan, go out and get them. They are absolutely stunning. They are such a lovely addition to any collection. I can't recommend them enough. So please, as I said, like, comment down below, subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. I really hope you have enjoyed this magical review and I will see you very soon, guys. Bye!